from Intel Packing Machinery. Today I will introduce the machine is a triangle heat bag, inner bag and outer bag packing machine. It's the ultrasonic sealing device. You can see the inner bag sealing by the ultrasonic. It's very tightly and very beautiful. And the knife edge cut, we can set it rotate. If you hit the set rotate, the back shape is like this, is a triangle. If you set the knife is not rotate, the back type will is the 4-side back. So you can offset it by the PLC control system. This PLC control system can also set the speed of this packing machine. And you can also to set the language of this device. You can set Spanish and other language. All the language you want, you can set it. The speed of this machine is also usually the stable speed is 35 per minute, so it's very fast. And when the inner bag was finished, it will fall into the this chain bucket convenient belt, and it will up and to fall into this bag making device. And we also equip this equipment to prevent the inner bag stuck in this bag making machine. So finally, the bag is the outer packing machine. The outer bag packing machine, we equip this coating device. You can print the date on the out bag. So this when the heat sealing finished, the out bag will finish. The out bag is like this. The out bag will complete. It's a three-side out bag type.